What's up everyone, Raijin here, and today I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this with no skills. And let's go! The first thing we have to do is to draw one eye, which in Luffy's case is very easy. Then for the left eye, we'll leave a space equal to the eye we just drew and repeat the process. Put his scar close to his right eye and we move on to the nose. The nose starts from the height of his pupils and goes down to the horizontal line of his scar. And here comes the most difficult part. If you manage this, it's over. You just drew Luffy. So, mark 2 points close to his eyes but not very close, and the third point for his chin about the same distance as the length of his nose, and connect them with 2 curved lines. And the most difficult part is over. Now you can relax and play with his mouth, which sounds a little bit weird. In the small space of these 2 horizontal lines, right below his pupils and above his mouth, we'll draw the ears, which are also very easy to draw. And we've already finished with his face. Nice! His forehead is as long as his face, so draw a curved line for his hat and let's move on to his hair. Draw 2 pointy curved hairs to each side and then add 1 small and 1 large pointy hair. Now repeat the process to draw about 5 or 6 of them on his forehead, or try something like this. His neck is as thick as the distance of his pupils and has 1.5 pointy hair on each side. Paint his hair black, and for his hat draw an egg-shaped hat that goes a little bit above his hair and below the chin. Complete the hat, which must be at least as wide as the distance of his ears, and add some details. And there you have it. You just drew Monkey D. Luffy. If you want to draw more anime characters like this, let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more. Until next time.